hand of God, and no torment shall touch them. They sin in the view of the foolish to be dead, and their passing away was taught as an affliction, and their going forth from us utter destruction. But they are in peace, for if before me, indeed, they be punished, yet in their home full of immortality, chastised a little, they shall be greatly blessed, because God tried them and found them worthy of Himself. As gold in the furnace, He proved them, and as sacrificial offerings, He took them to Himself. In the time of their visitation, they shall shine, and shall dart out as sparks through stubble. They shall judge nations and rule over peoples, and the Lord shall be their king forever. Those who trust in Him shall understand the truth, and the faithful shall abide with Him in love, because grace and mercy are with His holy ones, and His care is with His head. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
The Lord is compassionate and love.
The Lord is compassionate and love.
The Lord is compassionate and love.